Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Contributory negligence. Contributory negligence applies to hospitals, nursing homes, wherein the management is responsible completely or partially for the different negligent act of its staff or employee. This corporate negligence occurs when the hospital retains incompetent employees, or if it provides defective instruments, or if the hospital fails to provide accepted standard of care. In this, if the patient suffers damage to any of the above, it is corporate negligence.
thank you and thank you for watching.